Hello everyone. Today I will make a simple electromagnet and then I will test how much weight it can lift. First of all, we will need a bolt. Then we will need some copper wire. Of course, not so big amount like that, it's just a big spool. After that we will need a battery. I will use a 9-volt battery. We will need cables to connect it and some weights to test how much it can lift. That's all. Now we can make it. Because I will use 9-volt battery, I will make 400 turns to prevent from fast heating up. So I made it. I used 400 turns. So now I got a simple electromagnet. Very simple. Now need to connect it. And test how much it can lift. It can lift this. Even this. We made this magnet. It's pretty weak, not strong, but still it's belong to the strongest magnets in the world class. Now I can tell you how it's work, the working mechanism. When the electricity flows through the wire, it creates a magnetic field. And this bolt helps to concentrate this magnetic field so it can lift the objects. Now at this time it even could lift this bolt, the maximum. After that it's discharged this battery. So now I will check how much it have weight. So we see that maximum it lifted 5.34 grams. That was the maximum. After that the battery discharged. This battery, it's not new, so maybe it's weak. Maybe if it would be new, it even could lift bigger weight than this. Thank you for watching. Bye.